Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to reset the maintenance reminders on a 2024 Lexus TX 350. We'll reset both the scheduled maintenance and oil maintenance alerts that show up on your dash. So let's see how it's done. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Then, you need to access the settings menu by tapping on the gear symbol here. Step 3. From there, we'll look for Vehicle Customize. Step 4. Now, navigate to the Utilities section. Step 5. See on the right side and tap on Scheduled Maintenance or Oil Maintenance. Step 6. When a confirmation dialog appears, select Reset and you're done. And that's it. Super simple. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. Drop a comment if you tried it out. And don't forget to subscribe for more car maintenance tips. See you in the next video.